And I kind of don't see why there's a hard, when it comes to istibdal, why, so when it comes to istibdal and hukm ghayr ma anzal Allah, do you believe that if someone rules by other than what Allah revealed in a matter or two or three or four, they become kafir?
Okay, so your question is very vague.
Yes.
So, for example, Ibn Uthaymeen's position on Istibdal is that Istibdal is Kufr Akbar.
Yeah, but it's Istibdal bil kulliyya, يعني مش the whole entire Sharia. But not on a matter or two is what I'm trying to say.
So you're mixing up the terms, you're mixing up the terminology. If we're talking about a person who, we don't need to use the word Istibdal. So a person who did not rule by what Allah revealed or with the justice in one or two cases, this is Kufr Duna Kufr. This is not Istibdal. This is Kufr Duna Kufr. Okay? Istibdal is when you're replacing the Sharia officially, saying, the Sharia of Allah is not suitable for our case and our ruling. We're going to use the Sharia of the Bible or the Sharia of Genghis Khan of Al-Yasik. This is what we're going to do. Even if he said, we're only going to do that in the topics of, halal meat, for example. We're going to rule by the book of Al-Yasik, Genghis Khan's book, on the topic of halal meat. So Genghis Khan's book said that if somebody slaughters a cow with dhabiha, then it's capital punishment. It's crime, it's haram, it's capital punishment. If he says this is the correct law for dhabiha, but I'm still going to implement hudud on the Sharia hudud on zina, for example. This is still Kufr Akbar, and if you think that Ibn Uthaymeen had a different position, you are mistaken. You don't understand Ibn Uthaymeen's position on this. That's not what he's talking about. When we talk about somebody who left off the correct Sharia ruling on a particular case or a few cases, this is Kufr Duna Kufr. So, for example, somebody came along, 4 witnesses of zina. It was clear that they are guilty. Maybe they even confessed. But the judge, they saw, or the ruler saw, this is my cousin, and I don't want to punish him.
Right.
So he closed his eyes and pretended that he was innocent. And he said, no, he's innocent, he's not. And he did not implement the hudud, even though it should have been implemented. This is Kufr Duna Kufr. This is the example of somebody who left off the